Hello guys, I Arvind Mahapatra. I am back with another interesting SQL interview question. So basically this question shared by one of my subscriber. It has been asked as a assignment test during the interview session. So let's jump into the question. So basically here we have four different table. First is user underscore TB is a table where user information is there like user ID, name, phone number, mail ID, and the billing address. Basically, it's a hotel management tables or hotel management data related question. So another table is there like where the booking is a table where the booking ID and booking date, room number, and the user ID, all the details are there. So and the booking commercial is another table where along with the booking ID, the where on the date on which date the bill got generated and what are the quantity that has been placed order, along with the item ID is there. And here the items is a table, another table where item ID, item name, and item rate is there. So basically it is a hotel management related data like where the and the all the orders related to the room, all the order related to the particular food and item, all these details are there. So here you can able to see that here the user underscore TB is having user ID. The same user ID column is available in the booking ID. It two tables are related to each other with item ID. And here also the booking commercial is the common column in between the booking and the booking commercial. So let's jump into our first question. The first question is for every user in the system, get the user ID, name, and the last booked number. So the output should be in this particular format. So the expected output will be this will be the expected output as per the sample data. So let's jump into the table to find the way to get the output. Multiple in the booking table, each user booked multiple rooms. So we have to find out the last booked room number of each user, and we will get it from here, and the last booked room number, and and the user name, and we'll get it from the user table because we have the common column in between these two table is user ID. So let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio to get it. So basically, so let's start from, we have to find out. So here we have to find out the last booked room number of each user. To get it, what we will do, we'll select, we'll write it here itself, b dot user id comma b dot booking date. We will get the booking date, maximum booking date, so that we can able to find out the last book date here. And we will do the group by to get group by each user. So let's run it. So here we are able to find out that each user when it booked last time. So 21 this user booked 29/09/21 in the 2021, in the 29 September he booked last time. So likewise other records are populating. So now we have to find out the user name and the room number. To get it, what I will do is I will just hold this result in a common table expression so that I can use it in the further. So I'll just give a common table expression last booked TV. So now what I'll do is I'll just run it to check is it all the records are populating or not inside the common table expression. Oh, sorry, it's my bad. I forget to mention from. So here it's reflecting as expected. So now what I'll do the inner join with this user underscore tb table to get the user name. So user underscore tb on dot user id is equal to from cte dot user id. So what are the things I need uh, from the user id user underscore tb table is only I need user name. So let's mention all the required column only instead of star, and now I will mention username here. So now let's run it. So see, now I am able to get all the username from the user underscore tb table. So what I did basically, I just joined the table of user underscore tb with the help of this user id. The user id is there with this. From here I am just trying to join this cte with this table to get the user name. So now we are done with the username. So next is I have to get the booked room number that is available in this booking table. Now what I will do, I will join my common table expression along with this booking table to get the room number. So what I will do again is I will do inner join with this booking table with the help of user id, again with the help of this user id and the last booked date. Okay, and I joined these two table with the help of the user id. Now I have to get the room number, right? So last booked room number, right? So to get it, so I have to join the booking date also to get the exact room number which the user where the user booked last time. Suppose for this 21. So if I will join with the user id only, then I will get multiple room numbers, but I need when it booked last time. So here that is the booking date is 29, that is the maximum booking date from this for this particular user. So already I have in the common table expression already I got the maximum booking date. So if I will join the table with the user id and the booking date, then I will get exactly the room number where he booked last time. So to get it, basically what I will do, I will just use the dot booking last booking date, and from the table of booking I will get booking date. So I'll just I'll do it in the similar fashion so that it will not confuse. Yeah, so I'll just give the open parenthesis and close parenthesis to, because we are using and as a boolean condition here. So basically here I'm just trying to do the inner join with the booking table along with the this common table expression with the last booked date and the user ID. So here let's run it. Before running, let me drag the column I which one I need to be populated in the booking. I'm just let me room number. Oh, no, sorry, it should be before this one. So here let's run it. So see now the user ID is 21 John, last booked is 2909 2021, and the room number is 1. So this is the first question. Basically it was asking he need the each user ID when each user ID booked last time and the respective room number. So we got it. So coming to the second question. So the second question is basically uh, get the booking ID and the total bill amount of every booking created in 2021. So we have to find out the booking ID and the total bill amount. So let's jump into the table. Total booking ID and the total bill amount and the booking ID in the month of October 2021. So basically we have booking commercial and the item. These two table we will be going to use for this particular question. So here we have to find out the total bill amount of each booking ID in the month of October 2021. So first I have to calculate the total bill amount. So how I will do calculate? So here we can able to see that each item ID is having some quantity, and that particular item rate is available in the items table, and these two table which aligned with each other with the item ID. So here we have to when you have to find out a total bill. So to get the total bill, first I will join the table and I'll do the calculation on the top of this table to get the total bill amount on each booking ID. Then I will do the filter on the month of October 2021. So let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio to get it. So basically the second question is, so select star from, I will just copy the table name here. I'll just give a alias to the table. I'll do the inner join with items. I'll do the alias of I. So here bk underscore c is the item id is equal to I dot item id. I'll just mention star for this time being. Let's run it. So here you can able to see we have joined these two table, and now I have to calculate the total bill amount on each booking ID. So how I will calculate? I will just multiply the item quantity into item rate. So now I joined the table with the help of the item ID, which is available in the both the table. So now what I will do is I'll just mention what are the columns is required. First is the booking ID, and second is I have to do the multiplication of item quantity into item rate. So bk underscore c dot item quantity into I dot item rate. So it will multiply each item quantity along with that particular rate. So what I'll do, I'll just mention the sum, and I will just give a better alias as a total bill and what I will do is here I'll filter the required month and year, because I have to get the only for October 2021. So to get it, what I will do is year of bk underscore c dot, basically where is that bill underscore date is equal to, I need 2021, and I will give and in the month of equal to October, that is right, that is 10. Okay, then I will just keep the open parenthesis. Okay, so now I'll just run it. Oh sorry, I forgot to mention the group by clause. So here basically whatever the columns are there in the select statement, that should be in the whatever the columns are available in the select statement, the same statement, same column, it should be in the group by in the group by clause. So non-aggregated column should be in the group by clause. So here you can able to see it, that this booking ID 1 is having 470 total bill for the month of October 2021. I have filter out here. So I can we can filter this one in the where clause also, but it will be a more optimized way. First like in the where clause, what will happen, first join, it will join the both the table, and then on the top of the joining it will filter out. So first it will join, then it will apply the filter, that whatever the filters available in the where clause. But if you will mention in the in this in the joining clause itself, so during the joining itself it will filter and join, so it will be more optimized way, so it will improve the SQL performance. To see that each group ID is having 470, group ID 1, sorry, booking ID 1, that is 470, and booking ID 11 is 9890. So we'll coming to the next question is, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make such more videos. Share with your friends, those are preparing for interview. So now jump into the third question is, so get the bill ID and the bill amount that has been raised in the month of September 2021, and wherever the bill amount is greater than 1000, we need these bill IDs basically along with the booking ID. So let's jump into the table to better understand. So basically here we are having booking commercial and items, these two table to be used to get it in the similar fashion of the last question. So here one booking, basically one booking ID is having multiple billing IDs. So here this is the booking ID that is in the September month, and here we have multiple bill ID on the same day, either it will be in the same day or it will be in the some different date also. So here if you will see, this booking ID is only having one bill ID, but here 13 is having booking ID, 13 is having two billing ID, 13 and 14 basically on the same day. So because it placed different items, so we have to find out the bill ID where it got generated of bill of total bill is 1000 in the month of September 2021. So what I will do in the similar way, we have to join that these two table whatever we did in the last question, and we have to multiply the item quantity and the item rate to get the total bill, and we have to filter out the bill date for the month of September 2021, and then we have to use then you have to filter out the total bill is greater than 1000. So let's jump into the SQL Server. Similar fashion, whatever the things we did in the last one, we have to make it just simple modification. Here along with the booking ID we need the bill ID also. So I'll just mention the bill ID here, bill ID here, and in the group by also I will mention the bill ID along with the booking ID, and here I will mention the month is we required here, month of September. So here what we are trying to do is we are trying to fetch the booking ID and the bill ID, and whatever the non-aggregated column we have to mention in the group by, and we are just multiplying the quantity into item rate, that is the total bill, and we are joining the this booking commercial along with the item on the basis of item ID, and we are filtering out the 2021 from the booking commercial bill date, and we are filtering out the month 9, that is September, and we are group by it. So now if I will run it, so if you will see it, so this booking ID 11 is having only one bill ID, 12 is having only one bill ID, 13 is having two bill ID, one is 13, another one is 14, and this two bill ID, 2 is having only one bill ID, that is BLGOA 087Y2. So it's having 7380. So here we have to filter, I have to filter out that wherever this bill ID and the total, and wherever this total bill is greater than 1000, I have to find out this bill ID along with the booking ID. So what I have to do, I have to use the having clause here, basically having clause sum. I'll just copy it and I will just paste it, and I will mention greater than 1000. I'll just run it. So here if you will able to see that it has been only filter out the bill ID 14 and 2 along with the booking ID. So basically this is the expected output, and I have more two questions is there, so I will make a video on tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.